The new Warlock does fit some of the original's spirit, since it's customized from the factory. It has a 1-inch lift over the stock truck, powder-coated bumpers, fender flares, 20-inch wheels and decals aplenty. It's even available with 6 or 8 cylinders and rear or 4-wheel drive. But our two main problems are that this doesn't look any different than other special Ram models, and nothing about it references the old Warlock. As for the first problem, we've seen all the parts and most of the stickers on this truck before, especially on the Rebel that has the same lights, grille, bumpers and fender flares. And for the second, this was a big missed opportunity to try out some cool retro touches, such as the gold wheels and pinstripes. A custom interior would have been especially nice. The new Warlock has just the plain diesel gray interior found on most basic Rams. And this is all without something unique like the original's wood bed rails. There is an upside to all of this, though, and it's that the Warlock offers truck buyers a way to get a new Rebel-style Ram for a lot less than the real thing. The Rebel trim no longer exists on the Ram 1500 Classic, and it starts at $46,635. The Warlock starts at just $37,040 with 2-wheel drive and a standard V6. Buyers can also add a V8 and 4-wheel drive as options. So the Warlock isn't a great Warlock, but it's a solid budget Rebel.